In today's video, I am going to teach you how to start a new Wix site from scratch. Begin by signing into your Wix account and opening your dashboard. In the upper left corner, click your current site name to open the site menu. From there, select Create New Site to begin the setup process for a brand new website. Wix will ask what type of website you want to create. Choose the category that best matches your project. This helps Wix suggest the right tools, features, and design options for your site. Next, decide how you want to build your website. Wix gives you two main options. You can use the AI website builder for a guided setup experience, or you can start with a template if you want more direct control over the design from the beginning. If you choose to use a template, browse through the available designs until you find one that fits your style and goals. When you find the template you want, click Edit to open it in the Wix editor. Once the editor opens, start with the home page. Replace the default text with your own content. Swap out the sample images for your own images so the site reflects your brand, business, or personal project. This gives your website a more polished and customized look right away. After updating the home page, create any additional pages your site needs. Click Add, then choose Pages. From there, you can add pages such as About, Services, Contact, Shop, or any other page that supports your website. To add content to your pages, click Add again and select Elements. This is where you can insert text boxes, images, buttons, galleries, forms, and other content blocks. Use these elements to build out each page and organize your information clearly. If you want to speed up your design process, click Add and choose Sections. Wix includes pre-designed sections that you can place on your page, such as testimonials, contact areas, introductions, and image blocks. These can help you create a professional layout with less manual work. As you continue building, customize the overall style of the site. Adjust the fonts, colors, layout, and branding so everything feels consistent. This is an important step because it helps your website look complete and professional. When you are finished editing, click Preview to review the site. Check that everything looks the way you want and make any final changes if needed. Once you are satisfied, click Publish to make your website live. If Wix prompts you to choose an address, you can connect a custom domain or continue using the free Wix site address for now. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.